This home had everything it needed, but the spaces didn't feel connected. So this transformation blends a modern contemporary style with tropical touches, bringing warmth and balance into every space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The design creates a brighter and more welcoming space. Next comes the dining area. The layout keeps the space open while staying well defined. Then, the kitchen. The finishes and storage complete the overall design. Together, the living, dining, and kitchen now feel like one connected home. With a better layout and thoughtful details, every space is more functional, comfortable, and welcoming. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.